only gonna say this once. You have potential, but your skills are still unrefined. So today we're gonna train and fix that. Are you ready? Yes, sir. I'm ready. All right then. Rule number 1. Never let your guard down. Not even when surrounded by only allies. Now, stand up and try to attack me with all you've got. I'll show you something. Hey, I said stand up. I'm not here to teach weaklings. Bro, you alright? Bro. Yo, you good? Yo. Come on, wake up, bro, come on, gotta get up, come on. Man, no.
Hello there.